All right, this is one of my favorites of all time. At number 2, this is I Want to Be With You from 1991 by Mr. Big. It's just outside the 80s, but they had hair the size of the 80s. It goes like this. I know all that kind of stuff, and it ends up on these minor chords. All right, real quickly, I'm going to interrupt this and see if I can play the whole solo all the way through. Here we go. Okay, pretty big mistake right there in the middle. All right, let's get back to it. So it's E major. I'm the one who A to B major, be with you, E major. E major, A, feel it to, that's B major, E major. Wait in E major, A to B major, C sharp minor, just to be E major, A to be with you. And then it, goes into the verse and goes, hang on, little girl, right here. So that's C sharp minor, hang on, little E major, A, E, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp minor, E, A, and you can hit an A like this, creates that nice little noise. Let's add it to a little bit, like this. So you're doing an A major with the open B string. And it goes, come on baby, come on over. That's a D major to a B major. You can do a B major if you want to go high, or stay with the B major here. Be the one to hold you. And that's when it goes into the chorus I showed you a second ago. Be with you, right, the whole thing right there. Does it again. And he goes, let me be the one to show you, back to the chorus. So after a verse, chorus, verse, chorus, then it does this pretty cool thing here with that A. Why be alone? That's the A major with no B string, like this, or open B. You can C sharp minor, baby, and then you go to G major, G major. I can make you start to smile. That's where that chorus solo came in. I'll have to show you that another time. That one's, definitely not a beginner thing, and I can't even nail it every time. Then it goes into the chorus again, over and over. And at the end, there's a key change that will make it like impossible for me to play and figure out. So let's just not worry about that. All right, let's get to number 1 on my list. This is Love Song from 1989 by Tesla. Super, super cool. We begin here with an E minor and no capo. So you think that it's over up to a B minor.